be just a little bit later. Does that sound just a little bit better? Okay, awesome. Thanks for bearing with me. Now, I brought 4 birds of prey. This next one is the only non-bird of prey that we got. That's the real problem.
Yeah.
This is Gidget. And Gidget is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos are a type of parrot that comes all the way from Australia. And they're most noted in the country with their beautiful crest. They have a mohawk, right? They have a on top of their head. And let's see if you can show off that mohawk. Gidget, can you look? Pretty cool, right? Now, scientists think that that mohawk is enough to alert the rest of the birds in the flock if there is a predator or danger around. But we'll also use that when they're excited or interested or just happy to see us. Now, in Australia, these guys are actually super common. You can see the flocks numbering in the hundreds or even in the thousands. You guys think that a bird like you can be a pest? No? Is it? Would you be a pest? Oh, no. No, okay. But in Australia, these guys can be a real problem because they are loud, they are destructive, and they can be a huge nuisance. They'll tear apart the curtain, or rip apart the patio furniture, or take the everything out of their windows, and I've even heard of cockatoos. Hey, look at that, I hit the target of this guy. Very good. You guys want to learn about bird poop? I heard a couple of yeses out here, so we'll go with it. So listen to me, now we see the big bird poop on top of your house, right? What color is it? White, purple, brown, black, right? Comes in all sorts of different colors, and that's what birds go to the bathroom all together.